In this recipe, you need your egusi paste made with egusi, crayfish, salt, pepper, and seasoning cube that we're going to fry in hot oil. The hot oil should actually contain locust beans and some onions. The locust beans is optional. If you don't like it, you can leave it out. Once it fries for about 7 to 10 minutes, you turn in your cooked meat with any vegetable of your choice. At this point, the soup is ready, but I usually like to add some freshness to it. So I'm adding my fresh smoked fish and fresh pepper. If any of these ingredients you're using is not fresh, kindly cook it earlier before pouring it into the pot, and your soup is ready after you taste for every ingredient and you're happy with what you have. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it's simple enough. If there's any question you have, kindly put it in the comment section and I'm always ready to answer. You can store your egusi soup in the freezer, and to keep it fresh always, just bring it out, melt it, and take out what you need for the day and put back the rest in the freezer. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to this channel because you're going to be getting loads of quality content. Thank you.